Now, let us see what and all we'll see now. Okay. So first we'll see that Power BI installation we'll see. Okay. Then downloading BAW copy, FNO BAW copy. Then converting the new FNO BAW copy to old BAW copy. How to do that? Because from July onwards, they changed that format actually. So that is the reason we are doing this process. Because earlier, almost more than 10 years data is there in the old format. The format was there. Now the new format means we don't not get the 10 years of the new format and the 10 years data in new format. Similarly, currently we don't have the old format. So there is no other option. Only this option we have now. Okay, that one. How to use the Power BI dashboard. Okay, these are things you'll see. How to download multiple FNO BAW copy files. Okay, these are things we'll try to cover now. Okay, clear? Okay, so you need to be patient so that we'll learn a lot of things today. Let us see one by one. Okay, you are all able to see no the screen. What I'm doing, typing, recording also is there going
Yes,
on.
sir.
Okay, wherever doubt is there, please let me know. First, to start the Power BI installation. Okay, first we'll see that. Go to Google, download, type here, download Power BI desktop. Okay, then you'll get a first link. Click that. Once you click that, you will get this option. Go to this download. So maybe if I'm going little speed, you can see the video recording also you're going to get. So you can see slowly. There is no issue. So you have to see what is your Windows version. For checking your Windows version, you have to go to the Windows and then here click this PC and then here right click here this PC, right click properties. Once you click properties, you'll be able to get this system configuration. System type, you can see 64-bit Windows operating system. So this is what you have to see. Mostly now we are getting 64-bit only. In case your old computer little 32-bit is there, then you better stop. Don't use the Power BI because it will take a lot of resources. Okay, so 64-bit is what you have to check. Once that is done, okay, we'll close this. Now select this option and then download. Okay, download and the setup file will download and you can install it. Since already I have that, I don't want to download now. I'm just canceling it. So this is the download part. Then once you get the setup file, install it. Clear? So Power BI installation easy now. Once it is installed, you can go to start button in Windows. Just type power. When you type Power BI desktop, you'll get like this. Right click and then you can tell taskbar. Pin from taskbar, you can click. It will come here so that when you time, you can just click this one to open the Power BI. This is the way. Yeah, first step to install the Power BI. Done. Okay. Now next step is about the Excel part. How to download the multiple files in BAW copy. Download FN BAW copy and multiple files. Both will connect together and see. Now we go to. I have this Chrome browser or Mac. Edge also you can use actually possibly. Let me try to Edge actually. Go to Edge, Microsoft Edge. Go to nsindia.com. Okay, there you go to daily reports. Then go to derivatives. Then you come down here. Last one you can see FNO UDIF common BAW copy finance.zip. You have to click download. Okay, the download once it's done, what you should do is here right click here. Don't click this thing. Copy download link. This is very important. If you want to click multiple files, okay, this single file we'll see how to do it. Multiple files how to download. I'm teaching you. Copy download link. Then what you do, go to the Excel, type here Control V. Now this is the file path where the NSE is storing the files for all days. Now if you read the format of this, you can see here this is what 404 no 4th October. So date DD format then format, then YY format. This is the way how they are storing the data. Now, what we'll do here, the stock history function, everybody know, I believe. Let me just try once again. Nifty. I put the first, I want to download from 1st October, so 1st September till today. Now I got the dates. Now what I'll do, I put stock history function, then I'll select the symbol, comma. Everything you can see what you need to update here is coming here automatically. Just follow that. Then start date, comma, then end date, comma, then daily I want daily, comma, then show header, comma, then date. No, date already I selected. No, started end date, interval. Okay, now date, then open, high, low, close. Volume is not required. I just enter here. I got the date details. So now I got the dates the trading happened. These are dates for which the bow copy I wanted here. So this I have done it, readily available now. Now these dates I want to get the bow copy. So I just what I do is copy, paste special here. Control C, Alt S V. Okay, right click here, paste special, and then you can do values. So here values you can see. That's where you can get the data here. Date. Control Shift 3. When you do, you get the format here. Okay, like this. Now what I'll do here, I just copy this here, Control V, and then what I do here, this DDMM is there, no, that date format. That's the only thing I have to change so that I can get the format in which I want to download the data. I'll type equal to double colon, and then till here date where it is coming, double quotes, not no, I told double colon, sorry, double quotes, then ampersand. So this block is standard. I want to download the standard always, so I just put this one and then ampersand. Then here I wanted to get this data of this format. So what I'll do here, I'll put a formula here, just keep a space here, and I'll type here the formula, text of this date, comma, I'll do double quotes. Just copy the same. Just don't do think if you have any issues in logic or any formula. Just do same thing. Just copy. YY MM DD is the format where the data is stored. Double quotes, close. Now the data in this one, what is there here mentioned? This is coming in the format. Just delete that and then put ampersand. Now is a variable we converted and then put double quotes. Then everything else is common. Nothing is going to change. Then we'll just put double quotes here and close. That's all. Now, if you see here, 2nd September, we got this format. What is required is everything is changed except for date. Now we'll just do Control C and then here Control V. Now when you do this to test this, for example, I want to test this, Control C and then go here, select one file until enter. Now you can see the file is downloaded. So this link is working. Once this link is working, now we can go on to proceed. Here, what I will do, I'll just select here. Where is this? Here I have bulk download is there. Okay, not that here. What I'll do here, go to Google, Chrome Store. Type here Chrome Web Store. Enter here. Bulk download. This one, this option, I think this one. Let me just type batch link downloader. Okay, this option I will add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, added now. Now what I'll do here, select here in the extension you can see, select this. Now we got like this everything. Okay, now what I'll do here, select entire data, Control C, And then here, what I will do, select. This is little different actually. There's different Chrome version. 1 second. Let me just check this. Let me 1 second. Let me stop sharing your screen. Let me search in another place. I have stored the passwords there. Let me Ramesh. Here's there. Oh, it is batch link downloader only. Simple mass downloader. Okay. Okay. So let me try that actually. It is called simple mass downloader. I could not. This one. Simple mass downloader. Okay. 4.6. This is there. Add to Chrome. So has been added now. Okay. Now what I will do here, you open this simple mass downloader. Remember this. This one batch in down will delete it because you have to be aware of this which option how it is working. Then only you can try. Simple mass downloader. Select this. Okay. Now once select this, what you do here, go to Excel. What are the links you have done? Control C, and then come here. Click download list here, and then click this and sell here. Import URLs from clipboard. Click this. Now all the links have come here. Now what you should do? Click start selector. Please mute. Somebody has unmute. Please mute. Please mute. Hello. 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 Who is that? Okay. Thanks. Okay. Now all the download has happened. Okay. Now it has come. Let us go here. Go to the downloads option here. Where is the downloads option here? Okay, all the files are downloaded now. Now I can take this in wherever I want. Normally, I just have it in Control X, and then go to my FNO Bow copy where I'm storing. Go there. So this is a place. Please keep your files in a proper organized way. It's the first step. So I'm just doing some temporarily here. I'm telling here paste. Control V. Now all this file we got here. Now I want to unzip this. Use the WinRAR. Okay, RAR Lab. There's a website where you can use rarlab.com. You can just go to the website and then you can download this software. It is free actually. So you can see here English. Where is English? English 64-bit. Okay, select here and then you can download the WinRAR Lab X64. Okay, this download is the software will be available now. Okay, once that is right click here on all the files selected, click WinRAR, extract here. Once you do this all, okay, now once it's done, it's sorted by the type and all the files are here. Now I can just delete the zip files. So this is the way we can download the multiple files BAW copy. Everything is clear? It's very easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Thank you, sir.
If everybody understood in the first time means I told correctly or you understood sharply. Everybody understood means definitely I made it simple.
Yes, sir.
Now this way how I store the files here. Please store in organized way. Okay, brain is brain is organizing the way how you wanted so that you can collect information easily. If everything is unorganized here, there like kitchen items, salt, pepper and all you put in the bedroom pillow and all you keep in kitchen. Okay, or bathroom, you keep the shoe and chappal everything in the bathroom. Like that, if you keep it, then everything mess. You don't know. Brain doesn't know where you want to collect. So first you have to give some cushion to the brain that information is stored in a proper way. Okay. So FNO Bhavanu, I kept everything here because we started from July. So from July, I just kept everything here. Okay. Like that August, I kept everything here. Now this is the way how the files are stored. Now I told how to convert the BAV copy, what to download also I showed you. Okay. So this is done. Now we'll go back to this. So this is very simple. Just you have to practice once or twice. Then everything easy. Converting FNO BAV copy to old BAV copy. This is the next step. Where this is also very simple. Everything very simple. So what we'll do here. So this is the FNO BAV copy new, which I have stored everything. If you see here, October also is there. It comes like all these 4 zeros are there in the ending. This is the way how the files are given. Don't change the original format, everything, keep as it is so that to avoid confusion. Now, the new format, whatever is there, that is stored in a different place. So this I've been storing here for all the past years. Okay, now here I kept here the old format, everything I've done till 4th October, latest updated. Now, whenever you want to access, every time I see many people what they do, whenever they want to open, like for example, I want to go to this location here, I close this, open this my folder, and then select this folder, click here and there and all. Okay, better just click this and go directly. It takes 1 second. Otherwise you just to my computer, you go to this report, this here, that thing, Planatica. So it takes several minutes for you to go to that location. So whenever you want to do a shortcut, right click that place, pin to quick access. Okay, that's what you should do. Pin to quick access. For example, now I select done for already. Okay, this is the I removed that actually now. Pin to quick access. My October FN above copy files are ready here available. This is the way you do the shortcut methods. Productivity increasing because you are doing something which is not required to be done. Okay, you can use productively thinking process. Now we'll open the Power BI file. The Power BI file I given to everybody. Hope everybody have the Power BI file, correct? I have given in the Telegram channel also. For new students also given. Whoever is here in the
Yes, sir.
webinar, okay.
Yes,
So
we are
that
having.
file I'm just opening because I put several hours on this developing this file. I done only for I said I've been keep telling also like no my Jupyter is showing that I had done something bad or not good for in the past. So I have to do some my best part to give the knowledge to others, help others, so that that knowledge, what are the mistake I made, can be rectified. See, whatever mistake you done, you cannot write it. Eraser is not there. If you write something in the pencil, you can erase it very easily. But you cannot erase the past mistakes. If you hit somebody on coming on the road, that person will get wild. He'll hit back you. Maybe you have somebody in the backside, bouncers are there. He can to protect you, but that guy will have revenge on you. One day or other, when he finds you alone, he'll hit you or kill you also. Okay, so the past mistakes are mistakes which you cannot avoid. Now you may made a mistake by hitting him. Again, you go him, you tell him sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, I will not do this by mistake. I done it. Keep some 1 lakh rupees. It's my gift for you. You've done something, then he'll forget. Example. Okay, some people may tell I want 5 lakhs. They want 10 lakhs. The last example. Like that, if you made a mistake by doing some good things, okay, you can erase those problems to some extent. Okay, we don't know how much it can be erased. Nobody can tell clearly. So please do the best of in your case, whatever you can educate somebody else, teach them, okay, and that will take care of your life. Because you are going so many places, you're doing so many things, anything can happen into anybody anytime, anytime. Only thing that is protecting you is the good karmas, what you do. Okay, so please do good things to others, help others, teach others. If they can do something in their life, they can do something better, they can improve in their lifestyle, they can make some money, then whether they remember you or not, God remembers you and the good karma remembers you and will come back to you 10 times. Okay, so that's what my thing. At least here there are some six people are five, six people are there. Six people are there. At least you one person does that. What I'm telling you, that is a good thing for me also and for you also. Okay. Now here FN above copy is there. Now this is the place. This is the sheet where converting the FN above copy to the new above copy. Now for this, what we should do, because this file you got it. Now you have to do some linking process because this file is there, but you have to tell what is the connection, where is the data is there, because that is what important. This can be doing all the work for your car, but you have to do the starting. The starting work has to be done one time activity. So for that, once you install this, you can see small icon. When you open this file, you can see small icon here, right side. Click this one. Okay. And then what you do is FN above new, click this three dot, click edit query. Once you go there, You can see the files, everything. So this is the data, what is there inside each and every file. Everything it is opening up. Now I want to link the data. So what you should do is I made a setup here. Here you can see left side new FNO BAW file path. I mentioned here. Here you have to give the path where the data is stored. Okay. Now you stored here in the data, then you can't do anything. Now I stored all the data of the FNO new BAW copy in a place. Now here there is no point in processing all the data because I already saved the data for the past months. Only October, as and when the file comes, I will be converting this file. So what I should do is I'll select this folder only. Now I select here, for example, this root folder 24, this copy and paste. Now all the files in this will be converted, which is not required waste of time. So let me just see how many files are there. Show more properties. Properties roughly around 546 MB is there. 85 files are there. 85 files need not to be converted. I want only this to be converted. In the first time you can do that everything. And then how you can do it, you can decide yourself. Since I'm doing day by day, I'm doing it like this. Or for example, now July month you want to do all the conversion. You can select this folder, Control C, and then here what you can do is select Control E and Control V. July month you'll get. Okay. Now let me just close and apply. Now we'll get all the July month files here. Now if you're doing for the first time, what you can do is you can do the processing for July. All the data is converted. You'll get the entire data. See, memory will be taking so much actually, so you ensure that you have a good laptop. So now here you can see here some everything is showing. 4th October is not there here. So here now I need to select all. So in case it's not there here, Power BI, what you can do here, if you select this slicer, this called slicer, select this, go to the right format. You can see format. 3 icons are there. Third icon is format. Select this slicer settings. Here selection, select all. Click this. Now you can see select all options are coming. Okay. Now very simple. It's very simple only. Once you start using it, very friendly, user friendly. No need of technical knowledge and all. Now you can see all the data from for July month is there. Now what I can do, because since you're doing now only, you assume first time, then you will take a lot of time. One by one doing is very tough. So what you do, click this 3 dot here and export data. If it is telling too much of data, then see this, there is too much of data. Okay. So till click continue. Let us see whether it's coming or not. Then let me just go to the bow copy, and then here let me just try to save here data.csv. Okay, if you are lucky, you can get everything, or you're doing parts. 2024, then data.csv. Only 2948 KB is there. Possible that data is lost. So one by one you have to do notify. Okay, let me just see how much of data has come. Seems the data, full data is not there. See, only 30,000 rows are there. So because of the limitation, you have to do it day by day. Okay, you can see here data is there. July 20, July is there. Some data has come, some data has not come partially. So don't take the chance. Okay, I have given a link also to download the files in the Telegram channel already. The old, the new bar copy. You can download that. Okay. You do some effort to download the data, because I cannot do too much of spoon feeding, because what happens that if, people are become very lazy. Okay, they want to enjoy seeing Netflix and Prime Video and all. They don't want to spend time on market research, market activity. Okay, please, you have to spend time at least 30 minutes minimum, 30 minutes to 1 hour. You have to spend time, because it's not that trading means you enjoy your entire time. Like you have to put a lot of energy. The most toughest business in the world. Okay, so that is done. Download one by one, like that you do it. Okay, now for example, now after everything is done, now October data I want to download only. So what I'll do here, I'll select the October data, and the folder, this folder I'll select here, Control C, and then here go to data, FNO BAW new, anywhere you can go, click here, edit query, because once you go here, we are not going to use this actually. We're going to use this one, FNO new, FNO BAW copy, this, delete this, Control V. Now the link is set. The connection for pulling the new FNO copy into the Power BI file is established. Okay, done. Now it is processing and pulling. Only 4 files are, that's it. 4 files are there. Now I want to do for only 4th October, select the 4th October, the data has come. I'll just select this three dot here, export data, and here already I have saved the files. So this the format is there. You can keep any name, there is no issue. But for discipline purpose, I use the same format earlier what they used to publish. Select this one and they change the date and we'll get the 4th October. I got this and save. Okay. So this is the method for converting the new format into the old format. Clear? Everybody is
Sir,
clear? Yes.
sir, you are taking that entire October folder now, sir. If it is day by day means how to paste in that in that folders
No.
means.
Yeah, good question. For taking only one file, it is a different model, and if you're taking entire folder is a different model. Okay, in the query. Since taking one by one file means it will take a lot of time for you. Okay, changing the query model.
Yes, sir. Means once we done everything, every day we has to add, na. So at that time, what we has to do?
Now, for example, now let me here delete this file. Okay, latest file is there. Okay, I delete this. Okay, now if I for converting, I have taken this folder here.
Okay.
Okay, folder now. I'm doing is I'm doing refreshing. Now refresh here. Click this. Refresh new. You can see here 134. No, when I click refresh data, now you can see only two files are there. Okay, no 4th October is not there. Select all. You'll get this 3 October. Now I want the 4th October file. Okay, 4th
Yes.
October file I want. What I'll do, I'll just go and download. So not like this. Okay, let's go to the folder and then Control X and then go to the F and above copy. Then go to the NSC reports. F and above new 24 October. Control V. Paste done. Then right click, extract here. Then zip file is CSV file taken out. Then zip file you can delete this. Okay. So this is the method to save. Okay. Now here a link to the October folder. Now what I'll do here, click this and refresh data because already I given the link to the folder. So no need to do it again. Now you got 4th October. Now click select all and then select only 4th October. You'll get this data. Clear? Now when the November month comes, what you can do is now create a folder called November. When it's here November, new folder November 24. November 24. Then start saving the file and give this location in the folder to link the data. Got it?
Sir, I have a problem here.
Tell me.
So I follow the same process, but I'm having a problem with the lot size and some internal data connection with the Power BI.
No, okay. No, we're not come to that stage actually. Whatever now we explained you in the doubt in this, I will come to just keep your point there directly. Who is this Pankaj? What is his name?
Just Sanjay here.
Sanjay. Keep your doubt this thing. After we complete the plan, then I'll come to that point. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thanks, sir.
I'll tell you what I've been doing on that. Okay. Now, as of now, what I explained you, there is any doubt? No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, great.
All clear, sir.
So now
We have to practice. Then we will again. If it is not coming, we will again.
definitely. Yes. No doubt. Then select the 4th October. Then click the three dot. Then export data. Then go to that folder where you saved the new old different above copy. That location you start saving it. The name of the file. Okay. This is the way you do it. That's the step. Next, once you do that, now we'll come to the next stage where the main dashboard is there. All data is converted into a proper format. What we'll do here, we'll come to the data. This is a cylinder button. No? Then FNOBC, click here, click edit query. Now the new FNO above copy, we link it under use the data for converting the new format into the old format. That's the step one or one process. The second process is now all FNO above copy where the files are saved. The old format files, what we downloaded. Now we'll click this. So this is the place where we stored. Now, how much of data you want to process matters. Now, I want the entire January full year 2024. I want to process. So I've taken this data. Control C. This folder I'll take. If I want to process only the current data, only 3 files I want to process, I can select this data. Okay. So this location, copy this location, and we are telling the RBI this is a file path. Paste here. So we are telling this is the path where the files are saved. Please use the files. Then it know the files are inside your computer. People, if you do see, don't use change this and try to refresh, it'll tell you search my computer. You cannot search in my computer, the files are there. Okay, so you have to search in your computer and the files will be taken there. Then close and apply. Okay, once you do that, then the data is linked. Yeah.
Sir, whether we have to keep the every file in C folder, we can keep in any folder also, sir.
Any drive is fine. D, E, F, G, H, anything is fine. Whatever the folder link is there, you have to give that's it.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Once you do that, that's a one-time process of linking the data, the source data. Then after that, you just click this, refresh data, you'll pull the data. Okay, clear? Now if you process, it will take time, 2-3 minutes. So I'm just leaving it.
Okay.
Till now it's clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, like Sanjay was asking about this, lot size, there is issue. So what happened was earlier, I'll tell you what is the issue so that you will come to know. Google NSC FNO lot size. We search here. So we go there and then you can see here. Here you can see this one file. This file used to come actually. Okay, this file used to be appearing CSV file. So I used to pull this data from the latest one always. But what happened here after that, they changed the format. The FNO BOW copy, what the data they're giving, new format. They started giving the file in the format itself directly, lot size. So this one change, I'm not finding time actually to pull. If you just go to, if you see 4 icons are there, the second icon, if you select here, the new FNO BOW copy select here, and if you just come to the right side, you can see there is some lot size. Our lot size they given here itself. Okay. Earlier format it is not there. We used to pull two separately. Now it is coming in this file itself. So yesterday what I've done is I just gone to the sheet here. The last sheet I made one thing, lot size. So now I need to use this data to convert the data. I'm just I found one person freelancer. I want to give him this task and do it actually. I'm not no finding time. So we use this lot size to convert this so that because when you see Nifty, what's happening when I select here Bank Nifty, it's fine. When for example, if I select here Nifty here, where is Nifty? I'll just select expiry date, remove this. And when I select here, see first you have to remove all the filters, then only you can see entire data. For example, you want to see TCS. I want to see TCS. What is the data string? Click T and then click TCS and then select the expiry date. Now you can see what is the data string. We'll see about what's the data string. In case of TCS, I don't know what is the original. That time the lot size was there. So BWB calculation will be a problem. Probably if the lot size change actually. You go here and you can see lot size. The file is there. Okay, TCS. What is the thing? 175. Now also 175. So there is no issue. But in case of Nifty, it is 50 earlier. Now it's 25. So because of the calculation goes wrong actually. So that's what I'm trying to do, linking the data. So once it's done, I will upload the revised Power BI file. Okay. Because the Power BI freelancer also have to pay actually for that. Okay, but I will try to give you for free only. Okay, no issues. That's the maximum I can do. Okay, but not everything I can do because what are small things benefits I can give to no issues. Then once you do this, no issue. Where the lot size is not change, no problem. And clear this all this eraser button. You click the clear this. Now click the Nifty. When you click Nifty, what's happening is Nifty select here and select here. Say 31st October is the expiry. Here you can see VW is going all minus. because of the problem of the lot size, this is all showing minus this VWP. So that's the only thing I'm trying to do, fix it. So only this problem will come because of lot size issue. Okay, Sanjay, this is what you are facing, correct problem?
Sir, I just got to know that you are planning to do that thing. But even my old lot size file is not working. Actually, if I can get some old lot size file so that I can keep it working this file. Even
No,
my
old lot says nobody have it actually. Okay, I also
but
have till from July only. Okay, old lot size files. I try to add something, but I'm not getting that actually. Nowhere, nobody is keeping the data.
no, but your file is working from old file. Your Power BI is working from old file, right?
Yeah, correct. Because I've been using it because nobody uses that so much, and I not thought it will be required. I just using for temporarily because if you see the new format FNO Bow copy, this contains the all data. You see here from July, we're able to get it actually. Okay, you can see here from July and all, we are able to get the data.
Okay. Sir,
Our lot size we can get actually.
can you share this Power BI latest Power BI with us so that we can do some experiment with this file?
No, simply see what you can do is very simple. Please learn it. There is no issue harm in it. Now here how to do it, I'll teach you. I can do it. Okay. New visual. What you do is insert visual gallery. New sheet you can create using like this plus button. Okay. I give the person who is hungry some fish, then his hunger for one time is taken care. But if you teach fishing, then his entire hunger, lifetime hunger is taken care. Okay. That's what
Yes,
I'm
sir.
trying to do. So click the new sheet here, and then here visual gallery, and then here slicer, normal slicer, slicer. Okay, now here select a FNO above copy this button, and then here you can click the symbol here. You'll get all the symbols. Oh, sorry, not this one. You can select here, not as a table. You can select table here, and then here you can see lot size. Lot size, we can click this, and then the expiry date. Expiry date. Okay. Here, once you do this, you can get like this year code and automatically go here, right click, and then click expiry date, underscore date. Okay, now you'll get the expiry date. Now the lot size here, what's happening is that every day there is a this thing, correct? The timestamp is there. So it is combining everything actually. So what we can do here is in the sum of lot size here, in the sum here, we'll tell here minimum. Okay. Now when you do this minimum, what's happening? You can see all this Nifty, let us say Bank Nifty. You can see 15. Okay, everything coming properly. So this way, yesterday I forgot to use this method actually. I was struggling. Suddenly, just now I was teaching. I thought I got this actually. So now we got this actually from F and above copy, the new format. Since I have taken only October, the October data only is there, expiry date. If I take the entire July to October, everything will be available. For all the expiry dates, lot size will come. Clear?
Okay.
Clear, Sanjay?
Sir, how we are connecting this lot to the uh, new F-node data? Like
We are not, I am not linked as of now. As of now, just I have taken from the new FNO bow copy this data. It's available, everything available. Symbol is
so,
there, expiry
I
date is
mean,
there, lot
I mean,
size.
I mean to ask, sir, in the old format, how our table was connected with the lot size. Like
Lot
when we had
size, okay.
FNO
Now
data.
what I used to do is a lot size. If you just go here, let me just see here. Where is this? Let me go
I think
the
this is, sir, schema is there just below the that you can click on schema. That will make it clear. The
lot size. You can see here. It is a lot size is the data. Where is this lot size? One more thing is there.
So schema structure of Power BI is there. If we can click here, it can show how it was
No,
connected.
I want to see where I use, because FN above copy is the file I'm using. No, so here top 5 strike is there. Here when I click here, I'm using this FN above copy. Let me see here VWAP. Close here because I'm going to that model. Strike price is there. OI value, total open interest there. Contracts, VWAP option is there. Strike price, because I use directly here using the related function. Okay, VWAP option. And here option type is there. I taken here strike price. Okay, and then total OI. VWAP. VWAP future. Okay. P. Okay. Uh, okay. I have to see where I have used actually. Lot size is okay. This one lot size is the file I used like related lot size. Okay. Now lot size file, if you see here, is a lot size file I'm using. I just go to the edit query here. I'll be knowing the source because I use from the directly from the website. This is the website I'm using, which I showed you now. This NS India website, directly I linked it and I've taken the latest one. Last one, if you see here, I was using the April one. Okay, almost now 6 months now. 6 months old, this lot size actually. Okay, this is the way how I'm using. Now I want to change the model into this new format FN above copy lot size I want to bring. Okay.
So in my Power BI file, you have also used dhan dot size.
Yeah, removed yesterday. I removed. Then I removed yesterday because that I was trying, but that does not record actually because that is a very tedious process. Okay. Then I removed that and just no cannot connect anything. Just you can remove also. Once you want to remove means just select this there and delete from model. Click delete from model, you can delete it. Okay. Now I'm working on this. As I told you, you have to be patient. So I don't know when it will happen because the freelancer also has to do that complete study and then do the linking and do it. Okay. So once I get it, I'll be informing you.
So can you just click on the tree link that is in the left side on the third point? Yeah.
Okay.
Tree link. How it is here connected whole data, like how its schema is there. Like this FNOC is connected to the favorite stock and then a lot size. So we have to replace this lot size with the new data link, right?
Correct. The new FN above copy.
So we have
But
to
the problem is the
Yeah.
old files, whatever is there, for this there is no data. So how it's going to connect with is the one thing I have to think.
So we can create one another new data table and replace this.
If you so you know Power BI, Sanjay?
It's a little bit, not completely.
No,
Actually,
either you should know everything or otherwise I don't know. Otherwise, halfway I don't
you
know
are
what I
right.
can do. No?
So
So if you
you're
know,
right.
you can do it and give. Otherwise, you leave it. No, because if you
Yes.
tell whatever you know, you tell I can't use that knowledge. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
So if
Actually,
you know, no, if you know, you please don't give it to me. Otherwise, you leave it. Otherwise, I can't do anything. Correct. I also know something. You also know something. Nothing we can do. We cannot reach anywhere. Okay. I have
yeah, sir.
found a solution with the guy. So I will try to get it sorted out. And I told I'll be trying to give this once ready. Okay. That's what I can tell. Now select here. Coming back to this. Now we'll select here Bank Nifty. Now here expiry 30th October. I think Bank Nifty will select here. So select properly all the symbol, everything. Then you'll be able to see the data with all the combinations. Because if you see here the data, whatever is there, is almost how much? Remove the data filter. Anything is there? There is no data filter. Now if you see the bow copy, FNO bow copy, 34 lakh rows are there. 34 lakh rows. Now that filtering that and giving this model what the information you wanted, it takes only less than 1 second. 9th October is select here and you get the data. Okay, so that's the beauty of this Power BI. Now 4th October we are seeing here a Friday data. 9th October is the expiry date. Now how to do the analysis of this? This is very, very important. This one sheet gives the complete picture. Now everybody is bearish. So now you have to see as an open interest as a highest open interest. The open OI value is a crores in crores, 133 crores, 53,000 put option. People have sold for 133 crores. Somebody bought. Okay, somebody bought means they panic. They bought. Somebody sold means they intelligently sold. That's what we have to think because selling needs more capital. So somebody sold 133 crores worth of option. Here 53,000, which is almost 1,500 points away. And this guy's call option 30 crores only sold. So selling of the call option is less compared to the put option. First point. Next point is 15,500 is just at the money. At the money, there are open interest 50,000 only, not so much. But the highest open interest 50,000, 50,500. This is the place's highest open interest there. So when the market reversing, these are the people who will be first impacted. These guys will be having a problem. Now think of situation when somebody sold, assume 53,000, 500 both they sold. 300 points is guarantee for them. Okay, that's what I can think. Now, if the market is going to reverse, then for this 15,500 call option is the people who are going to run and cover the position. So, such reason I just developed that one file here, option buying levels. As I mentioned also levels, what is there? 9th October, 4th October is the date. Based on which the rates get again. 15,500 call option pivot point is 572. Now, the price at which we closed on that day was 354. Once the price starts moving above 572, then there will be a big panic and start covering. And we can expect the price can go up to long breakout, which is around 768. Okay, so 51,500. What you have to watch is 51,500. What is the rate we are going to see whether it's going to cross 572 or not? Because as I told you that the bank nifty is in good support. So once that support is broken, then we can see more fall. But I don't think it will be breaking. For it can be fake breakout actually. Okay, so fake breakout. So we have to be a little careful about that because max pain is what I focus. The max pain, if you see here for bank nifty, and particularly I focus on the weekly and monthly both. Weekly max pain is 52,000 level. Means call writers are not ready to sell near this because they expect a bounce. So it's so far means you have to be careful with the selling call option now or buying a put option because you can be in loss. So you be careful with your buying a put option now. Now, similarly, if you see the month end expiry here, it is at 53,000. It is almost 1,000 points away. So my target is 53,000 at least. It should be coming. Okay, that's what people are indicating here, option sellers. And also PCR is very highly oversold, 0.53. Anything like
please,
around 0.5. Yes.
sir, please repeat once again, sir. Max
Which
pain
one?
and max pain and what it indicates in sales.
Okay. See, max pain is the place. The condition means is a place at which the price, if it closes, maximum option buyers will lose money. That's the max pain. Okay.
Okay.
When if you just see here last 5 days, max pain. Whenever the price goes below max pain, it is a bearish. You see here on this time around 27 September monthly expiry, it went below this. That's the time the bearish started. Very clearly, very simple. If you see the stop loss, you can think it's stop loss. The selling, if you're option seller, you want to sell call option, you can sell at the max pain. Don't sell anything otherwise.
Okay.
See slowly how they're coming down with the market falling. They're slowly, very cautiously, they're selling the call options. After that, they're maintaining the same place here. After slowly, when the market is falling, they're selling call options. Now here at only 50,000, they're selling call options. Only if again because they have 1,000 points cushion is there. Because 50,000 call option maybe is trading at around 700 rupees something roughly. I'm not sure. Okay, so they have very good cushion. There's nothing to worry. So they will sell only. They understand that the market is still going to fall. They'll sell more.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, this is a max pick. That's one thing. Now the PCR. PCR is 0.53. Anything PCR around 0.5, 0.600 is highly oversold. Below 0.5 means highly oversold. Similarly, when it is coming above 1, it is a bullish. below 1 is bearish, and around 1.4, 1.5 something it comes 1.6 is too much. Okay, that will be time it's called overbought. Now you can select all the expiries and see what is the PCR. Click control and press this expiry date. So all the expiry put together for October till October, PCR is 0.58. So it's highly oversold, no doubt about it. So definitely we look for a bounce, and then we should see a decent bounce. If RBI cuts rate, then same day I'm expecting that 1,000 points rally also possibly. Okay, so I have started accumulating some 51,000 call option of 9th October expiry. Wednesday is the date, correct, for RBI policy?
Yes, sir.
So Wednesday RBI policy. So I bought 51,000 call option. So I want to see here what is the 51,000 call option saying. Day-wise dash option is there. So I will see here 51,000 call option, what it's selling here. Now you can see here at the low is 621. This is a low. Now I bought for 700 something. Okay. Now buy above 671. Already we crossed above and closed 671. If you don't break 621, then I can write this. My target will be around 1,500 at least. Okay. Possible. If you're lucky, it can go to 2,000 also
So
on
bullish,
expiry day. Yes.
sir, bullish. So we can take bullish view after above 1 to 1.3 like that, sir. Means perfect.
What is
bullish.
1.3?
Means PCR, sir. PCR.
PCR above 1 means bullish.
Okay.
Okay. So now it's highly oversold. So definitely some bounce will come. Okay. But once RBI policy comes and there is rate cut, then severe short covering will come. Okay. So that time easily 1,000 points rally will come on the upside. So be ready for that.
Means short covering means reversal of the trend or what, sir?
Call option, no? No. What is short covering? People have sold call option, put option, and then they're covering their position. Now
Okay.
here, if the PCR means, what is the PCR? Put option open interest divided by call option open interest.
Yes, sir.
So when the call option open interest very high selling,
Okay.
then PCR is 0.53, it's so much low.
Yes.
If a put option is sold so much, then PCR will go to 1.5.
Yes.
Now heavy call option is being sold.
Okay.
Now, for example, if you want to see here, how much is that? Let me just see here. Call open interest, put open interest, open interest. Where is open interest? Okay, let me just simply a small report I can create. It will not take much time. I create a page here, and I create a insert visual gallery, and then here slice, not slice. Sorry, this is a matrix. The matrix is selected here, and then data you have to pull here. Now what I'll do here, symbol I'll bring a slicer here. First I'll just put what I want to put is open interest value. Okay, open interest, open interest, and just bring here in the data values. Okay, total open interest is there. OA value also should be there. OA value. OA value. C is there. This is open interest value I'm seeing.
Okay.
Okay, so here we select matrix here, and then OA value P. Both that also I keep bring here. Is in crores. Okay. Now symbol I'll bring here. Total symbol. Where is the symbol? Symbol. Right? Symbol also bring here in the rows. Okay. So I'm getting here the report. Really report. This report you can't get in the NSC and all. We will create in this thing. It's a 2 lakh crores total. Okay. Now
Okay.
here I want to see here what is the total expiry date wise. I can just what I can do filter here is this
Yeah.
open interest value in crores. Okay, expiry date. Let me put in the this slicer here, and right click here and select expiry date. So here I'll select here slicer. Okay, and select and slicer. You can just select because settings we have to change. Slicer settings between institutional here vertical list. We'll get like this. Okay, so here 30th October. No, 30th October is the expiry date. I'll select here. 30th October is selected here. So I'll get only Bank Nifty. Okay. Now you see here the total TCR also. I'll just bring here TCR. It is showing 1.01 because of all the date server. I have to bring the latest date. Okay, now what I'll do here, timestamp. So you have to be understanding the data, so that's the way you can understand. You make the report. Just blindly, if you're doing, then you'll be panicky. What is something there is showing 0.5, now it's showing something different. Why it is like that? You may panicky. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now here, click the three dots, start descending, and I will tell select here slicer. Slicer. Here again, if you do at least 4 or 5 times, then you'll be able to know. Okay, so you have
Okay.
to practice a lot. 4th
Okay, sir.
October, I'm selecting here. You can see 0.58. This is the value I'm getting here. This is the value I'm getting here, 0.88. Why? Because what I'm doing there, I want to see. Because I'm taking open trust there. Here is open trust value I'm taking here. Okay, so I have to
And I
see
think
what.
you have selected as Friday 30th October also. Right side.
Huh? Oh, sorry, 30th
I,
October. Okay. Expiry date I have taken 30th October. I should take 9th October. No, 9th October. 9th October. Okay. So that's what now you should be very careful because we are doing over analysis also. We have to do the data crunching also. Both are doing. So we have to be there. So put value is 1025 crores. So you can see here very clearly the people who sold put option have 1000 crores as their value in value wise. So it means people bought crores. See, now it's a very interesting thing unless here. This is buyer seller both you have to take. Somebody bought, somebody sold. So 1000 crores worth of put options sold and only 230 crores of call options sold. Now here is a more exposure is there. So people in panic, understanding psychology and what's happening in the market, people are in more panic and they bought more put option, giving 1000 crores worth of put option being bought totally. The call option total open interest value is only 236 crores. If you see open interest, it will be different number. Open interest, if you see here, open interest OA, that will be different. Open interest for call and put is not the separate. Let me just do separately here.
So they are
What
saying that price won't fall, na, sir. It means that is a P value. It is more now.
Yes. No, see, it's an interpretation. Okay,
Okay.
logic, how you have to just make it align it actually. We have to understand that what is it. Now, call option 5 crores. 5 crores call option is sold open interest in contract studies. And the put option is only 2 crores. So if you see the value wise, if you see, that's what we saw. Strike wise, they sold 53,000 heavily. They sold. Somebody bought 53,000, and maybe they are in loss or they are in profit. We don't know, but that's what's happening there. Now somebody sold means definitely retail traders would have squared off mostly. Okay, in losses. Now only heavily call options sold actually. Now definitely the 1,000 crores who are sold definitely will try to push the market in upside. It's all you have to connect the dots. Okay. And
Okay.
also, I put a chart that Bank Nifty is in a good support here. So chances that we may not. That's a 1 point to analyze. Second point is max pain. Max pain is 52,000 level for the weekly expiry and 53,000 for the monthly expiry. That is also indicating that we are in a little safe zone or bottom. Now there's no panic. In case the market goes down on Monday, the low may not break. If it breaks, also will bounce back. Okay, so that's the reason I selected that Google Sheet also. That gives us me idea on how to use it actually. Okay, this one, what is the level we can see there? Nifty Bank and 4th October. I'll select here 7. Only always I should have 5 trading days. So on going down, okay, now below there, wherever it can go, let it go. I have no problem. If it bounces, because I have short position, I have long position both. What I'll do, I'll keep slowly cutting down my booking profit in my call option shorts in the short position. Okay, because you should be ready for a reversal anytime. It can happen Monday morning or Monday morning. What happens? Normally, so many people are there in the short position. They'll try to add position. After that, when short covering comes, they'll square off the position. Now, daily level 51, 592. This is the level I will close my position. First level at least 15-20% I can close. 15,460 we close. Once 51,592 crosses, then I'll close the first cut off the this thing. What you call my short positions. Okay, call option shorts I'll try to close, and then or I'll buy some call option 15,000 call option weekly expense, because I keep my positions base position as it is, and then use my buy call option 15,000 call option. If I buy, my margin will not get impacted. I will not sell so much money because the call option which I sold is enough margin they'll give. So I can buy 50,000 call options, 100 rupees. Even 7 lots, if I buy 50,000 rupees, will cost 70,000 rupees. Will cost. That's all. Okay, 70,000 rupees, 1,000 points, 100,000 points rally. How much you'll get? 100 points rally. So 100 quantity, 1,000 points. 100 is not there. 100 points roughly for calculation purpose. 100 points, 100 quantity, and 1,000 points rally. How much you'll get?
10,000, 1 lakh, sir.
Yes. Okay. So that's the way you can practice your option buying also. I sold option call option and sold put option also deep in the money. So now I use this weekly option to only buy option, because long time back I used to sell weekly options, and when I analyze my trades, the loss is giving only from the weekly call option shorts. Okay, so if you analyze your trades where you made losses, you have to know where is the problem. Either in weekly options you are making loss, or by shorting calls or buying puts you make loss. These are the reasons for the loss for 90% of people. Agree?
So we
Yes,
used to
sir.
only
Yes. Hello.
intraday only, means 10, 15 points like that.
Intraday or positional, whatever.
Okay.
Three chances that you are in the short position. Okay, shorting call option or buying put option, or you're buying at the money put call option or put option. Okay, because see, the main thing is that 80% of time market is bullish, only 20% of time market is bearish. The market fall also came in just for 4-5 trading days, that's all. Okay, but for moving that market on the upside, it took several days. Correct. You see bank nifty here, for moving on the upside from the bottom, day wise chart, if you see from here 11 September, it took almost 1 month to climb this rate, but in four trading days it came down. So that is the reason market is bearish take only 20% of time, bullish take 80% of time. Okay, so you have to be bullish 80% of time, and then automatically you will make money 80% of time. Okay, so once a bearish comes, that's the reason this Google sheet I made on the point of control. I explained in the webinar's formula. So once you do this now, if you hear when the bearish came, okay, now on 28th September, I made yesterday a video was shared also. Again, I'm telling this. The 28th September is the date, and then here I selected historical. 20th September, if you see, it became bearish. You see 27th September plus bullish, weekly explain. Now 28th September, when if you want to put date, no, you can type at, and then you can select the date. 28th September, I can select like this. 28th September, it became bearish. That's the day I mentioned in the blog spot also, in astrology, that was 20th September, I mentioned here, bearish. 53,924. 53,924 is the level here, and also bearish below that. So we got almost how much points? Here I'm getting the points also. Next week we got 2,487 points from the close.
So you used to say sustain below means how much time it has to sustain, sir, so that we can take confirmation.
Why can see fear and greed? There is no limit.
Okay.
When the fear is there extreme, the person kills himself, suicide.
Okay.
Greed, somebody telling I'll give $100 million, you jump from the top 100th floor, you'll jump.
Okay, sir.
Okay, greed and fear, there's no limit at all.
Okay.
So when this bearish means you have to carry, that's it. Okay,
Okay.
What I do normally, like say, I can 10 lots I take in position.
Okay.
What I'll do, for example, the call option short is there, put option short is there for me. Okay.
Okay.
Now, when the fall came, I bought the put option. Slowly, I'm booking the profit in the put option. I bought 54,000 put option. Okay. Now, I had a call option short also.
Okay.
Now, what happens here? The call option short, I had a 44,000, $43,000 call option short I had. So, because the major money comes when you have deep in the money call option shorts.
Okay.
Because when you short 52 call option, because I do monthly expiry. So when you
Okay.
do in weekly expiry or monthly expiry at 50,000, 15,000 level, this kind of fall you cannot capture.
Okay.
So 43,000 call option, you get entire fall. Okay,
Okay.
that's the reason. Like when you see here, when you see next day. Okay, now for this reason, this sheet everything gives you the formula. Now here 13th September, next day fall came 29th September. It is giving bearish. Okay, intraday also if it's bearish and this also bearish. One intraday is bullish, then you cover some position. And here pivot point is there. Above the pivot point is bullish, and below it is bearish. Till the time it is not turning bullish, hold. See, because
Okay.
what happened, retailers or the problem is when there is a rising, everybody were telling when it will fall, when it will fall, when it will fall. When it's falling, when it will rise, when it will rise, when it will rise. So
Okay.
people are not having patience to wait and enjoy the return. When
Yes.
there is no job for somebody, when you get a job, or yeah, whenever this job Saturday, Sunday I have to go, I work like this, I'm working like a donkey, all these things keep grumbling about the job. If they don't do a job, I'm ready to work 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. I want a job. Okay,
Yes.
this is the
Yes.
mentality. First, we have to change.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
because that's the way how we can make the money also.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Okay, sir.
all the people who have been bearish, now when the bears came, now immediately they're telling when the bulls will come, when the bulls will come. Because you have to understand the FAIs or HNIs or FPIs, what they do, they don't do intraday. Okay, they make money for long term. Now, if you see here, 55,000 the option expiry, the top five contracts here, top five strikes. Here, by mistake, you click here, mobile layout to come. Okay. Now, when you see here 30th October and see here 27th September expiry day timestamp, now 54,000 is there, what the highest open interest. So the bought put option and call put option. Okay, now something is there. Now here, if you see how they build a position, 50% put option, 50% call option is there. Now we'll go to this option here, Davis option here, and then we'll select here put option what they've done. Now we have to see whether bullish or bearish. Now people, the big guys will not sell any option which is 1 month away, only 600 rupees and all. Now see here what they have done here, analyzing this. They bought here chunk 12,000 contracts, 60,000 contracts they bought. At what rate? 976, 1,165. VWP that day was 1,000 rupees. For around 1,100 rupees, they bought the option, put option. Now, what they've done here, they came here, whoever was weak hands here, who sold in the last 4 days, is quite of the position here. And here, thousands quantity they squared off here. What is open interest? 24,000 contracts. So here, 24,000 contracts only is there, which is a very strong hands. Others are weak hands is sold and then squared off position. 20% contracts are still there, which holding 24,000. Or possible we can tell that everything is sold and they will cover the position to zero, bring to zero by end of this month. Okay, that's what we have to understand. Now, as of now, it is seeing 2,195 rupees. 2,195 rupees is there. So they will try to mostly cover the position at zero. That's what my expectation is. Because the PCR, as I told you, the highest of filters wherever is there, there's a place mostly will try to reach. 1,63,000 open interest there, and total OA also is there 54,915 rupees. Is as of 27 September. Coming to 4th October, the situation has changed. Now 54,000 gone to 55,000. So people are selling at higher price this put options. Now, if you go to this put option and see here, 55,000 what they're doing, then you'll come to know. They are moving the position and they're getting a higher premium. I have suspicion that RBI will cut the rate and then there'll be big rally possibly. Let us see. Here, if you see here, they're cutting position here. 54,000 they cut possibly if you just see the day. 27.31. Okay, they cut the position and taken to this place possibly. If you see here, almost will match. 27, 18,000 contracts sold. 30,000 contracts got built here. Then 30 September 23,000, 28,000. You can see, no, all the position got rolled over to 50,000 higher level. They booked some small loss possibly and moved to 55,000 level. So they're waiting for this level. Okay, so much of position built. 74,000 contracts are outstanding now here. So this is the way you have to analyze the data and what is the meaning it is giving. You should understand.
Sir,
Got it?
that indicates the price actually where we have to buy or what, sir? Means volume-weighted average price, premium, how to...
No, this is a place where activity is happening. And now here, 3,960 is highest. Below this is you have to sell. Now you can see here what's happening. Now VWAP is what? Somebody sold this strike. This is three dates. They sold for 1,700, 1,700, 1,100. 1,700 is sold actually. Now it's 3,000 rupees. Okay. So definitely big quantity. This put option definitely sold by the smart FNIs. Okay. Now they'll bring it to the cost price or they'll bring to zero to make money.
Okay, okay.
We will not take any trades based on this, just for our understanding only.
Okay,
What they're doing. You see, possibly they bought the option also. Sometimes big fall comes and all. We can't do anything, correct? We can't take anything. Now, for our understanding, now we have to see 50,000 call option sold 723 rupees. So 720 rupees is there, which is the premium, and the max pen we are seeing, and PCR we are seeing. So we'll not go too long. 30th October is too far. Now, for us, the next day to understand is what is the current date is 4th October, and we'll see here live for Monday 51,592. If it crosses, I will cut my side position or buy 15,000 call option. And here pivot point also 15,723. I'll go above this 15,723. Again, I can add some more. But definitely 51,700 levels I should see on Monday. And weekly also 51,577 is there. Pivot point.
sir.
Once the 5200 crosses above, then it is full-fledged powerful rally will come, which will take to 53,000 also.
Sir,
Yes.
what is your opinion about Iran-Israel war and the impact on RBI meeting? Is there will be any impact, sir, regarding fuel
Opinion.
prices?
See, first of all, there is no opinion. Okay, nothing like opinion.
Okay.
These numbers, you have to focus only on numbers. Okay. This number tells you what will happen because everybody is trading in these numbers, correct? Buying,
Yes.
selling, happening in this number.
Yes,
So
sir.
everybody know what's happening, what's going to happen, what will happen, what's happening, what has happening in the past. Everything they know.
Okay.
Okay. So the big money is involved, and they will take care of everything. So you not bother about that.
Okay, sir.
Now, like for example, when I was working, there will be some incentive policies there. Okay, bonus system is there. Now, for achieving bonus, some parameters are there. You have to achieve that, then only you will get. The incentive policy is varying from the top management to the bottom lowest level, but the amount can be varying. Now, the same policy is applicable to them, but the payout will be different for the lower people, higher people. Now, when you bother, like you, how you are bothering, like I used to bother, how much incentive I will get, how much and all. Like everybody bothers. Sometimes you get 2 months salary, sometimes 3 months salary, it depends. Or 1 month salary, based on the grades. Now, my boss used to tell me, if the top management is going to get, you will also get. If they are not going to get, you will also not get. Point number one. Second point, the top management, for example, they will get say 10 crores, 20 crores. You may be getting 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Okay. For you, this is the big money. For them, that's the big money. Now, for getting the 20 crores or 30 crores, for what are the example amount, for getting that, they'll do all the needful in the background to ensure they get the money. When the big fish gets something, you will get a small fish also will get. So you have to follow the big picture and then try to capture that. You are not going to decide anything because you are going to trade in few lots. That's not going to change the scenario. The big shots are trading in big quantities and they know what to do. Okay, that's the reason.
Okay.
Price knows everything and you have to follow the price, nothing else. If you follow social media, YouTube or Instagram or Telegram and take some trades, then you will definitely not able to make money because they will spread the news. For example, once now RBI policy is there. Before that, the US has cut the rates. Now everybody is hyping. Though everywhere the channel they spread the news. Now RBI will cut the rates, all these things are now bullish, and then taking the market to upside and the company everything, all whatever they can sell. They sold it. Now, after what happened, now nobody's talking about the rate cut and all. Everybody forgot it, no?
Yes,
Now
sir. Yes.
everybody is selling like as though tomorrow there is no world.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, again, RBI policy, the news they will spread in WhatsApp, social media, YouTube, and all. They'll feed, they pay money and spread the news. Now, RBI is going to cut the rates and all. CNBC will tell what is the like how you are asking. They'll ask what is the expectation, what is the view. RBI will cut the policy. Somebody will tell 2% they'll cut, somebody will tell 1%. They'll start hyping, and then now people come under panic and pressure. Once you start, like there are 100 crores sitting on a tree, if you hit 1 crore, then all the crows will fly, no? So
Yes.
like that, one short covering comes, what we saw here, 52,000, 51,500. Once these people cover position here, then 52,000 here, 52,500. Because so much of contracts, the shots are there, very highly oversold. Once one short covering starts, then everything will rumor spread. Bleeding will come for the call option sellers. The put option also they'll not make money immediately. See, put option who are sold, say 52,000 put option 651, they'll start immediately melting. 300, 400 points will start melting. They don't know what to do. They want to cover the position, they want to average it, they don't know, they keep on struggling. By the time they decide, everything will become zero.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to
Okay.
understand psychology, market, how people are doing. Okay, you have to believe in your analysis, because
Yes.
everybody have done the analysis, and if you don't do the believe your analysis, how others will believe?
Okay, sir.
The same happened during 2020 Corona. Like Nifty will become zero.
Yes, that's the reason I see because some people are asking, so how this Google Sheet, how it can work for all the times. Okay, maybe sometimes the trend is changing, the market dynamics are changing. So I done the back testing for this for 2020 also. Okay, any instrument, I became so confident. This formula works for any instrument, any date, any time, any pandemic, everything. Okay, now we started this problem on the February end, correct? Started March 28th
March.
February 2020. Okay, that time what happened? It was bearish. You saw, it's not bearish. After that, we gained 1,000 to 900 points in 1 week, 13,000 points in monthly. Then first March, second March 2020, bearish, all bearish, monthly, weekly, everything bearish. Then 3rd March 2020, bearish. Now when it's showing bearish, now you don't know how much points will fall, correct? Somebody is asking now question that when we can cut the position, how much we can go down. There is no limit. Fear and greed has no limit. So till the time we don't get this change in the reversal indication, we'll hold. Intraday bullish, slightly bullish intraday. Till weekly, monthly are bearish, you can do intraday and gain this slightly, but never get misplaced because of this. These all powerful things. Now, like father, mother, child, no, child is very happy. Since child is happy, you can't expect father, mother also is happy. They have different problems. 5th March 20, all bearish. 6th March 2020, all bearish. Okay, so when everything is like this, you have to just proceed with the way how it is showing market. Don't change the position. Maybe you can cut, for example, what I've done, call option, 43,000 call option is sold. Whenever I got some 1,000 points profit, I squared off the two quantity, two lots, and then sell some 44,000. Now 44,000 call option tells me as will be zero, no profit, no loss. Now when it is giving loss, I will come to know that okay, my position is giving loss, so I have to reverse my trade. So whenever I change the strike price, I'll book profit and wait for that strike price to indicate me whether I'm in the wrong side. Got it? So what you do is, whenever you see bearish, never add a bullish position. You be on the bearish side only. Keep on making 2 lots, 3 lots, keep on making profit, and then square of the position. Definitely index will bounce back, no doubt. What are the pandemic, what are problem? Okay, that this one we have to keep in mind, and keep adding some investments in mutual funds also. Okay, so I think we have come to end of our session. Any other doubts on this?
No, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. So, any doubts in this regard? Only you have to see the video. No more any new person, new students. who are already
Sir,
joined and they not ask the question means I will not going to answer.
sir,
Yes.
certainly I have a script that is that shows that at 3x 5x level, camera level, in trading view.
No, come again. I don't understand. Doing?
I have a script of
Ah,
indicator that shows the camera level in trading view. If you want, I can share with you.
okay. Who is this Sanjay?
Yes, sir.
So who is this Sanjay?
Yes, Sanjay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
On
share.
trading,
We can share it to the students also, and
yeah,
also
because
that's a camera level I mentioned here. See what's happening. I've been trying that also. Sometimes no, somebody's comfortable with something. That's the reason I just kept like this. Now here, 51 720 this level. I just put in mind. Okay, what is the level above which I have to square off a position here? Okay, and sometimes I will not be able to. For example, now I want to see the chart and the price. Just nowadays I'll be seeing the price. I'll be able to know. Okay, whether the market is bearish or bullish. So you can send that trading view script and then I'll share it. And any doubts, they have to see that trading view how to do all these things because many
can you
people don't know how to put the script actually.
yeah, on trading it will be a lot comfortable to view the chart because you know as three as four it said go short go long, it will be directly on the chart and from there they can mark it and from there
No,
they can take position.
what's happening is actually if somebody's working, okay, working professionals. No, they don't want to see chart and all. Not possible. So the time in Google Sheet they can open this and see the level. What is the level here and what's the current price? And just that level price you remember is enough. That's the purpose of doing this actually. Trading view also we can do it actually. So wherever comfortable in trading view, simply what you can do is that this one thing I developed. No, this I told in the students also. Keep three charts like this. Keep three charts. One is a spot, one is a call option, one is a put option. Use alpha trend. Alpha trend is one indicator. When you type alpha trend, this one by T1 oblique. Okay, select this. No modification required in the indicator. Then select EMA cross, 1030 EMA cross. The 1030 EMA cross. Once you set this like this, just leave it. Okay, if you see here, once you see this cell, and then here buy for put option. The spot sell and the put option buy and here sell call option. Three should come at a trade. Same at a time you come, enter the trade. That's it. Now here, in the past, what happened here? Here the sell came long back. On 3rd October, 3 o'clock it came. Okay, here if you see here, it came on the 4th October morning 10:45 only. Okay, so the put option gave you signal already that market is bullish. So we should be little careful or buy some call. That's the reason on Monday when market opened, so Friday market opened, I sold some put option on the dip. So in this case, it will be a God-given opportunity that you can enter trade. Then the buy came around what time? 10:30. You got the buy signal, and you got this here. Here also 10:30, 10:42, and already sell signal was there. So this time you can buy the call option. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So very simple, just easy to follow. I'm sure at least a few people make money and try to come back in their life. Okay, that's my objective. And best of luck to all of you. And any other doubts? I hope I cleared most of doubts of you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, actually, sir,
Thank you, sir.
I'm facing, actually, I'm old student. I'm facing problem with the like delivery based swing trading in Power BI,
Ah,
where we need to put the data for industry and also the lot size.
no,
So,
the
so, so
data they stopped giving actually. That's the reason I'm not able to fix anything because the data is not available. We will see. You are in the Hindi batch, correct?
no, sir, I'm actually comfortable with Hindi batch no, for English Hindi any batch, so it's no issue.
No, no.
Uh,
You are currently no, you joined a Hindi batch. I don't know actually.
yeah, actually, I was in Hindi batch.
No, currently ongoing Hindi batch you are there.
No, sir, actually, I'm old student.
Ah, okay, okay. So we'll see whether I'll try to put in the Hindi batch. Okay, and then when you try to explain that time you'll try to cover your doubts. Okay.
So at least my access to drive has been revoked. I'm not able to access my data that you have provided me on that time. So some of the file I'm not able to download it. I'm trying to access it, but it is not accessible from my end.
No, because I give 2 months access. No, so 2 months access finished, then you can't do anything because
Actually,
access.
at least on that time I did not. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया सर कि that will be revoked. Otherwise, I would have downloaded everything.
No, WhatsApp, if you see, it's given message. See, I can't keep for lifetime. No, I can't keep access for lifetime. Okay,
Yeah,
so
sir, but
that's
actually,
I mentioned also. Just have a look at it.
on that time I miss. Sir, even sir, right now, there is a POC file I don't have that you are explaining.